Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you have a beetroot in your kitchen? Then you can save yourself a lot of money. How? Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of a beetroot and give yourself a pink facial at home, which when used on your face will give you the same glow, same skin texture and same brightness to your skin when you visit a parlor. Visiting a parlor may cost you quite a sum of money, but having this beetroot at home and making a facial out of it will give you the same perfect glow. So if you want to know, please continue watching. Beetroot is a very versatile vegetable. Most of the houses will have a beetroot. So one beetroot can be used for various purposes. It has health benefits, skin benefits, and even for your hair it has a lot of benefits. For health, you can drink the beetroot juice, eat as a vegetable. For your skin, you can use this as in for facial, like how I'm showing it to you today. And for your hair, you can use the juice of the beetroot to color your hair. Put it in a mehendi, mix it, and it will color your hair very good. So for facial, I'm going to just take half of the beetroot and I'm going to peel it. I'm going to peel the skin. The skin can be used to boil and extract the color of the beetroot from the skin and use it in mehendi. But for this facial purposes, I'm just taking half of the beetroot. I'm going to scrape it. You can also grind it to a fine paste and you need to extract the juice for further purpose. So just I have peeled here and I'm going to extract the juice. I'll just put it in a sieve. You can use a clean cloth also. Extract thick juice of the beetroot. That is much is enough. You need at least a cup of the beetroot juice. If you find it a little bit difficult to extract, you can just add half a teaspoon of water and the juice will come out easily. So the beetroot juice is ready. I have got thick beetroot juice, half a cup of it. This half a cup of juice is enough for the entire facial. After you have done extracting the juice of the beetroot, the residue can be spread on a plate like this. Keep it in the sun, let it dry. You can powder it and store it. Use this in various purposes like face masks and cheek tint. It's a 3-step simple facial which I am going to show you. The first step for any facial is cleansing, and when you're doing at home, the raw milk is the best option for cleansing. When you mix it with beetroot juice, then the result would be very good. So here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of the beetroot juice. I'm going to mix it with raw milk. Raw milk contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate your skin. It will remove the dust and pollution which you have collected over time. This is a very good cleanser. You can use it anytime, and if it is good for all dry skin, oily skin, and even sensitive skin. Milk will give a calming effect on your skin. So dip a cotton wool and just gently massage it on your face. It will slowly remove the dirt and it will make your skin very smooth so that you can proceed with the further steps. If you have excess of oil, then you can add little bit of aloe vera gel to this and cleanse your face. If you want to have extra cleansing procedure, then I'm using compressed face mask here. You can purchase this online. It is easily available in the market, and just dip it in the cleanser, and when you open it, it will have soaked up all the juices or the milk of the cleansing milk. You can spread it like this and put it on your face. Leave it for 10 minutes so that it soothes your skin. It will relax your skin. It will open the pores and help you to have a relaxed feel for the next procedure. So you can leave it for 5 minutes. So the next step would be to exfoliate your skin. Once you have cleansed your skin, the upper layer of dead skin cells need to be removed. So for that you need to mix 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice along with 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Make it a mild slurry so that it is easily applicable on your face and you can easily exfoliate. The reason I have chosen rice flour is because it is quite grainy. It will be quite grainy, and this will easily remove the dead skin cells which is accumulated on your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, then you can just add a little bit of aloe vera gel so that the exfoliation process becomes easy. Take a little bit of the exfoliator and apply on your skin. Gently massage it so that it will remove the dead skin cells. Don't overdo it, otherwise you will feel the exfoliation is too much and your skin starts to burn, or there will be a little bit of marks because of the graininess of the rice. So once this is done, after the exfoliation process, you can steam your face. You can give steam, or you can just put a layer of hot towel, warm towel on your face, so that it will loosen up your pores and whiteheads and blackheads can be removed easily. This is helpful for oily skin. Since I have dry skin, I am not going to do this. After you have done steaming and removed dead skin cells, whiteheads and blackheads, the next step would be to apply a face pack. For that I am using gram flour, which is very good for all skin types. It has so many properties that it can lighten your skin. It acts as a natural cleanser. It will unclog pores, reduce oil production. It also helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It will brighten your skin and helps to give you this brightening glow once you have done with all the facial procedure. So when used properly, this also helps to keep your skin glowing for the long run. So for that procedure, I have taken 2 to 3 teaspoons of beetroot juice. For that I have added gram flour 1 teaspoon, so that I get a smooth paste, so that it can be easily applied on the skin. Apply a thin layer of the face pack on your skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries, and you can wash off. After you have done the facial, you can apply moisturizer, and this will reveal a very pinkish glow on your skin. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.